Hello all, welcome to Pamita AI World. My name is Pamita Singh Kandari, and in this video I'll teach you the next part of data science for all the students who are learning freely from my YouTube channel Pamita AI World. So all the students, in my last video I taught you about data smoothing. Fine. Data smoothing by what? Data smoothing. I told you about the data smoothing data by means and by frequency. Fine. But in this video, and that part is totally closed in data pre-processing. Now I'll teach you what are the prerequisites for data pre-processing. Fine. What are the prerequisites for data pre-processing? Prerequisite means when you build your model in AI model or machine learning model in on computer, what things you should know already before building that model under data science. What are the prerequisites? Fine. You should have knowledge of those prerequisites in your in your memory. So I'll teach you in this video what are the prerequisites for data pre-processing. So I'll write here. Oh, it is not visible, I think, this purple shade. Prerequisites for data pre-processing. Fine. What you all people should know before learning the data pre-processing. ये दे दो. Fine. So prerequisite for data pre-processing would be number one, you should know in your memory means you should already learn these things. First, Python libraries. You should know what is Python libraries, and you already know Python is a language. Fine. Like Java, JavaScript, fine, HTML, CSS. Likewise, Python is the prerequisite language you should know for data pre-processing. Fine. So in my upcoming videos, or I will make a new playlist for you all guys for teaching Python library. Fine. I'll make another playlist for you, because side by side I'll start teaching you Python language, because in my community I have asked this question that whether I should start teaching you Python or not. So students said that I should start teaching Python. Side by side. So this is the thing. So in this video I'm telling you where I was telling you about prerequisite for data pre-processing. So in that, Python libraries or language you should know. Fine. And number two, you should know the NumPy. Okay, you would be already surprised who are new to this learning this data science course. What is NumPy? I'll teach you each and everything about NumPy also. You just remember the words. What is NumPy? Fine. You should know matplotlib. And here lib means library. Already library. Fine. And number 4, you should know pandas. Number 5, you should know Seaborn. Number 6, you should know scikit-learn. Fine. This is the thing you should: Python, NumPy, Matplotlib, Pandas, Seaborn, scikit. These 6 terms you should know to make a model built under the data science course. These are the basic necessities. Fine. Now it comes to math parts. What is comes under mathematics part? You should know. Mathematics part comes under in this mathematics part. In this mathematics part, you should know for number 1, statistics. Please mind my timing here, because I am recording this video in the evening time and tea is on my table. So, number 1, statistic part. Number 2, probability. You should know what is probability. These are the mathematics parts you should know. Number 3, calculus. Number 4, linear algebra. Fine. Mathematics under technical part comes these 6 basic necessities. Fine. Python libraries, NumPy, Matplotlib, Panda, Seaborn, scikit-learn and scikit-learn. Fine. And under mathematics, statistics, probability, calculus, linear algebra, these things you should know. And you should also know what is software used, fine, to build AI model or machine learning model. Software used are, fine, we all the data scientists nowadays, or the students who are learning freely this course, although freely many data tools came where they can learn their data science model to build nowadays. But what I usually prefer to build data or AI model is Anaconda. Don't worry, this is a software. When we'll start building our model after learning these mathematics and NumPy part on pen and paper, on laptop, I'll let you all guys download this Anaconda part, where in this Anaconda part comes under this software only comes Jupyter Notebook or Spider. So those students who are having laptop, fine, who can afford learning data science model on paid courses or freely, and they are having laptop, they can download this Anaconda on their laptop part, and they under this Anaconda there is one inbuilt software come that is called Jupyter Notebook or Spider. And this is the user interface where we build our model. All the data scientists build their model, and they are quite handy, and with the help of this software all the models are built, fine. So those students who are having laptop, they can download this software and can start building their model, fine. But for those students who are who cannot afford laptop, or they don't have laptop, or because of some financial conditions, so they are having mobile. So with the help of mobile, our learning process should not stop because of the financial problems, fine. So for those students who are keen to learn this data science on their mobile, I'll start teaching them also, so that they cannot be behind from all the students who are learning from laptop, or who are having affording money. So I'll teach them this, I'll tell them the software to download from their mobile also. Like with the help of that mobile, they can download this one software called Google Colab. That Google Colab is freely available on Google. With the help of Google has already released that Colab thing. In this Google Colab, all the data scientist learning students, students who wants to learn data science course, but they can't afford laptop, they can learn all these things on their mobile also. So my main focus would be teaching those students also who are learning from rural area, in any part of the country. Doesn't matter you are from Africa, America, or some poor country, or some like in India, fine. So if you are from rural background and you can't afford a laptop, I'll teach you in such a way that if you are having mobile, then too you can build your model. But before that you should know all these mathematics statistic parts and these Python language and NumPy and all basics in your head. You should know all these things. Fine. So for this for today's video I have taught you that prerequisite for data preprocessing. All the theoretical part of data preprocessing I have already told you in my last videos, so please check them out from my last videos. What I am teaching you about data preprocessing, I have completely built the videos in 2 or 3 parts: part 2, part 3 of data preprocessing. Go there, and after that I'll jump to the machine learning life cycles next part in my next video. Fine. For today's, this is the only this is the thing in my this video I have taught you for today's also today. And thanks a lot. Keep watching, keep learning. Happy learning. And if you like my video, please share it to your friends. Thanks a lot.